Hello, hope you're having a nice day. Welcome to the Autorox demo. So this is the login page. You can add your details and login. Now you can see the dashboard with details of vehicles being serviced, like the vehicle details, the insurance details, and the status. Now I will create a new job card by clicking below this new job card button. In this page, we will fill in the vehicle and the customer details. Let's fill in the registration number and the vehicle particulars. Go to Find a Car and type the vehicle model. I'm typing Maruti Swift. Now the drop-down will show the list of variants. Let's choose one, and now you see the make, model, variant and year. Now select the vehicle color. Next, here the system is showing common complaints from which you can choose. You can also type the concern. I will type the suspension overhaul and it gets selected. Now I will add customer and insurance details. Just go to insurance company name field and choose the insurance company from the drop down. This opens a slide up. Here we will verify the insurance company contact details. We will also fill in the policy and claim information. All fields in star marks are necessary. Click outside this slide up. Click outside this slide up, enter the customer name, phone number, and estimated delivery date. Here we are ready to prepare the estimate. And now we have to add parts and services. For example, I'm taking front collision repair, so I'm adding bumper front, and its services. After editing parts and price, I'm going to add the coverage details for each part and labor. This coverage can be in percentage or rupee value. Now we will prepare the invoice. Click Create Invoice. The system will auto-generate two invoices based on coverage. One, customer invoice. And second is the insurance invoice. The customer invoice shows amount payable by customers and insurance invoice shows the amount payable by the insurance company. So that's it. Hope you had fun watching this video. Click below the link and subscribe. And yes, don't forget to click below button and get notified. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.